My name is Dr. Val Svedich, and I've been a chiropractor since 1991. I've been in a really serious accident where I lost my left leg, and I can relate to patients with their pain because I live in pain every day.
I really like how Dr. Val has a holistic approach to the way she deals with my injuries. They're very comprehensive because she has massage therapists and she uses cold laser treatments, and she gives me exercises to do to keep myself strong. There's all these things that she uses.
Over a course of 1 to 2 years, she was able to get my back healthier than it was when I was a kid, which I never thought was possible. I thought pain was just normal.
A couple of years ago, I hurt my knee during high school basketball, and I came here to Dr. Val so she can help adjust it and make it feel better. She's done a lot to help me throughout the years. Just the fact that she's a chiropractor, she can fix different parts of my knee that other doctors can't. I think that really helped because the other doctor, he just really gave me a diagnosis of what I have instead of really fixing me.
Dr. Val has been one of the few chiropractors who's been able to do a good adjustment that lasts for more than 24 hours.
I leave here feeling adjusted but also very happy because things are back in balance.
I feel sometimes like Dr. Val's hands are really gifted for healing, because sometimes when she touches me, she knows exactly what to do.
She tries to be as available as possible, and more importantly, she really tries to educate myself and all of her patients about maintaining the body.
Get checked. There's reasons for it. That's why we're here, and it's painless, and you can get better without drugs or pills or potions. We are the first person that you should come to see, and I hope you come see me.
She relieves the pain.
She's awesome, and I love getting treatments from her.
I'm completely satisfied with the care I get from her.
Yeah, and she treats the whole body, she treats the whole self, I think that's rare with a lot of chiropractors.
And I'm very happy. She definitely personally cares about all of her patients.